Hi, I'm Dexter Jagula, the head of government relations at SkyWatch. SkyWatch is a software platform that specializes in the aggregation of satellite-based Earth observation data and then making that data available to global markets and companies. We're headquartered in Kitchener-Waterloo in Ontario. We're a company size of about 50 employees. We have a software platform, aggregates data from a multitude of different sensors in orbit and in our atmosphere. We have currently access to over 90% of commercial imagery available and that we make available to global entities and corporations. We also provide a data platform that's leveraged by a multitude of different satellite mission providers and data providers that helps them to manage their data, process their data, and ultimately get it out into market. Prior to the TAP program, all of our commercial activity was largely centered around the private sector. One of the motivations going into the TAP program was understanding how we could start to play in the public sphere, particularly within civil and defense and intelligence agencies globally. And through the TAP program, understand how we position ourselves as a corporate entity within that sort of audience, which is different from public-private corporations that we've dealt with in the past. One of the things that struck me is understanding the legal and compliance aspects. In engaging in the public sector, it's important to have those things be thought of and be front of mind. Prior to the TAP program, we were approximately serving about 1,000 to 1,500 customers globally, and now we're serving over 3,000 customers globally. And then we've also started our engagement in the public sector, most notably with the Canadian Space Agency. So TAP has been instrumental in allowing us to explore international engagements, and there's certainly a lot of lessons that each of us can glean from one another that we can use to collectively succeed.